Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Stewie from Family Guy. So let's go in there. Let's work our way to about a third of the way down the page. What I'm going to do is start with the ears. So I've got one ear, kind of just a curved C, sort of a bit like that on that side. And let's do the same over here. So go straight across here, draw another one like that. Okay. Now we can draw his kind of like ball-shaped head. Bit of a curve, so I'm going to start just here where the end of the ear is. Let's move around, down, up and end, on the other side of the ear there. Let's do the same again, but at the bottom, I'm just going to curve around and join up again. Start again at the ear, and then just work our way down, around, and up, like so, okay? Cool. Next up, let's get the body in. So we're going to do sort of these shruggy shoulders. So I'm just going to do a curve down where his arm is here. So start about there, just curve down like that. Just do the same on the other side. So just go from about here, down like that. Okay, cool. Okay, so leave those there. We're just going to do the inside of his belly down to his legs here. Okay, so I'm going to start about there. Just move in a little bit and then do a straight line down. Cool. Okay. Next up, we're just going to do a curve around to join this area up here where his sleeve is, and do a curve there to join the sleeve there. Do a little line up like so for his arm. Okay. Next up, I'm just going to put his hands in. So I'm just going to do like a little bevel there where his thumb is. And then just a little curve down there to the edge of the trouser. Okay. Next, let's do this hand. So there's 3 fingers. So I'm going to go 1, 2, and then 3, and then just join it up like that. This means we can now do this leg here. So I'm just going to curve in from that sort of second digit there, just in a little bit like that, and then work our way down like so. Okay. Next we're going to do 2 kind of curves, 1 to the center there, and then do the same out and up and join there. Then we can do a straight line up, just a little jut out there. Just do his shoes, so they just go curve around up to this area here and up. So I'm going to curve around and up, and then this one here is the same, so I'm going to come out just around, join up there. Okay, he wears like dungarees, so we're going to put 2 circles in where the buttons are. They come in about here, so just go 1, 2, like that. Okay, I'm going to join it up from about like the crease of the elbow, just a little curve up like that. Then we're going to just put 2 lines up like so. Join us up here, and then 2 more lines. 1, 2, just a bit of a curve. Then we're just going to do another little curve down here where the dungarees ends. We've got those in there. Okay. Next up, let's put his nose in, right in the centre there. Just a bit like a little pointy arrow. Okay. So I'm just going to go in the centre, kind of just below centre there, down, out like that. Bit of a grumpy mouth underneath, so I'm going to do a little curve here, just like that, and then it's got a bit of a lip up, so just a bit up and then a bit down like that. Okay, now we're going to pop his eyes in, so 2 circles. 1 circle around here, sort of that area there, so just pop in a circle like that, and a circle here. Cool, okay. 2 lines in there. I've got those beady eyes, 2 lines in here, like that. Okay, let's pop in some black for his eye, just underneath the line, so it's just looking a bit sneaky. And then 2 eyebrows, just 2 lines, yeah, looking a little bit menacing. Just pop a little bit of detail in where the ears are, just a little ear curve there, one in. And then we've got bits of hair, so just going to go a little curve in like this. we go. It's the hair done. Let's just ground him a little bit. A bit of floor. Okay. And then let's go get a skin colour. And let's colour the face in. So it's going to go, just colour that all in here. Just block fill that whole area with the Sharpie pen. Just those eye areas too. Just keep filling in around there, so it just sort of gives a nice even tone. For his face. Okay, let's get those hands in too. Next up, let's get a light grey. Just fill in the shoes. Cool. Then we can do a nice zingy yellow, and that is his top. Okay, and then his buttons, nice zingy buttons, so I'll just really cover those up, give it a bit of a double hit. Next up, we get a nice red colour. And let's do the rest of his dungarees. Zingy red. And then just the last little bit, those little straps there for those dungarees. Cool. There, just fill those in. Get it nice, complete. And then probably just ground it with a nice yellow colour as well. Just gives that sort of zing. Standing on the ground there. Let's grab that red again. And that is Stewie from Family Guy on Art Draw. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.